Hello, this is George Senda, the official, the real, the authentic, the original, the one, the only, the guy from Pittsburgh. Well, I recorded the video but didn't record. I don't know why Photo Booth doesn't do that or does that. This is Pittsburgh unboxing, but I already took everything out of the box. So I will show you the battery. One battery is already in there. And it gave me a wrong information. I weighed myself with a doctor on Thursday. I weighed 321. I've gained weight. So maybe these have to be charged over to get an accurate reading. This is what came. There are two of these little. You put the cable in the end of it and recharge it. And this is the scale. It talks. And I put the battery in here already. There's the battery. But when I stepped on it, it said 171, which would be incredible because the lowest I've ever weighed is 190 when I was like 20 years old. So, not the lowest I've ever weighed, but as an adult that I can remember. And my doctor said your weight should be around 190 to 200 for your height and all that. So I'm going to go over there and step on the thing again. And this can set in pounds or ounces, pounds or kilograms, and you can set it for various people. It'll hold 550 pounds. So I'm going to go over there again, and we'll try this one more time. Then if it gives me the wrong figure, then I have to charge the batteries.
Body weight is 261.6 pounds. Body weight is 261.6 pounds. Body weight is 254.4 pounds. Body weight is 254.4 pounds.
Okay, I've done that 3 times. So that was 171, 261, and 254. And yet the scale at the doctor's office said 321. Someone's lying. So I'm going to I'm going to charge both these batteries and try it when the batteries are fully charged. Okay. It is 78 degrees, slight breeze, comfortable in here, and we have the channel numbers somewhere are the channel numbers. Where are the channel numbers? Hello, channel numbers. There they are. Hold on. No, I don't want that. Firefox is not cooperating. Every time I log out of Firefox, I have to put in my Google thing again, which is aggravating. It's really weird. Okay. What? Oh, wrong one. Got last year. Okay. 1,522,940 views, 20,075 subscribers. Thank you, new subscribers. Alright, I will plug these in, recharge them, see what happens, and hopefully the scale will work properly. I can feel I gain weight, but I'm not certain because the pits in my stomach when I gain weight get less. They get filled in, so, and I can't get the battery out. Battery is not cooperating. These 9-volt batteries never fit properly. got it out. Disconnect it. If this scale doesn't work, I'm going to just keep the box, send it back. Alright. Okay, that's it for this one. Hope you're staying cool and hydrated. And you have a great afternoon, a great evening. This is George Senda, the guy from Pittsburgh. Click the like button, subscribe to the channel. Thank you, new subscribers. And remember, you can join the channel for $3.99 or $6.99 a month where you see content not on the regular channel. Have a great evening. Thanks for watching, and I will catch you next time. Bye-bye for now. Let's hope this records this time. See you later.